Hello everybody and welcome in this video where we're going to be talking about Ontraport sub-account from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate different actions directly from your workflow app for your Ontraport account. So let me show you how to set it up. Inside your sub-account, you go at the app marketplace. You search for the app, Ontraport, select, install, allow install, and there are some keys required. So in order to get those keys, you have to go and get them on your Ontraport account. So let's switch to Ontraport. How do we get those keys? You come here, administration, integrations, come here at the Ontraport API instructions and key manager, and you can create a new API key. We've already created, so let's choose one. Okay, we have the API key, we copy, and then we go look for the API ID. Switch back, we paste, continue, choose the plan, we confirm, complete installation, and you have uninstall. This means that the tool is already connected to your workflows. You're now able to execute actions directly from that workflow for your. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. Our support team was available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video.